In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bass in Soundtrap. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to add a new track, so click over here on the left or here in the middle. Now just click on that, and from here you want to click on bass and 808, okay? So whenever you do that here, you have your bass instrument, and then here you can go ahead and select whichever one you want to have. You have a bunch of different ones, as you can see here. I'm just going to select this acoustic one over here, and I'm going to leave it like that. You could go ahead and play it if you want to, completely up to you. And then here you have some adjustments. You can then go ahead and exit this, and then over here on the left you can just click on where it says 808 and it's going to open up again. Now if you actually want to start playing it, you can click on the plus button over here, and you can then just go ahead and basically start and go ahead and make your music using your bass over here, for example something like this. And if I exit, as you can see, it's over here, and I can now go ahead and just play this. So as you can see, if I do it like that, there we go, it's now playing my bass in the back. So that's how to do it, that's how to add it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.